Looking for the best garlic press for easy cooking that every home chef needs? You're in the right place. I've researched and tested the best garlic press for easy cooking to help you cook smarter, faster, and easier. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to GadgetNest for more smart kitchen finds and honest reviews. And don't forget to check the description below for updated prices and exclusive deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Kuhn Recon Epicurean Garlic Press. Experience precision and performance with the Kuhn Recon Epicurean Garlic Press. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this tool makes garlic pressing effortless, even with minimal hand strength. Its sleek silver design adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen, while the ergonomic shape ensures a comfortable grip during use. Measuring 6.5 by 1 by 1.5 inches, it fits easily in drawers without sacrificing functionality. This press is dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup after cooking. Built for durability, it withstands daily use without bending or breaking. Whether you're preparing quick weekday meals or elaborate dishes, this garlic press delivers consistent results. Say goodbye to smelly fingers and uneven garlic pieces. This tool presses cloves to perfection every time. A must-have for any home cook or garlic lover seeking efficiency, style, and lasting quality in a compact, reliable design. Number 2. Eva Solo Garlic Press with Glass Container. The Eva Solo Garlic Press combines Scandinavian elegance with kitchen practicality. This stainless steel press features a beautifully crafted glass container catching every bit of minced garlic while keeping your countertop clean. With its 8.78-inch height and sturdy construction, this press feels solid in hand yet easy to operate. Designed for convenience, it eliminates the mess of loose garlic skins and offers tidy storage. Both the press and container are dishwasher safe, making cleanup fast and effortless. The compact design stores easily, and the container ensures crushed garlic is always ready when you need it. Whether you're adding flavor to a sauce or marinating meat, this press handles the task efficiently. For those who love cooking but hate the mess, Eva Solo's garlic press is a game changer. Functional and stylish, it's the ideal blend of form and function for modern kitchens. Number 3. Rosal Stainless Steel Food Mill with handle and 2 grinding disc sieves. Unlock culinary versatility with the Rosal Stainless Steel Food Mill. Built from premium stainless steel, this sturdy tool includes 2 grinding disc sieves for a variety of textures, from smooth sauces to chunky purees. Its ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip while reducing hand fatigue, making long prep sessions easier. Measuring 9 inches, it's perfect for preparing family-sized meals. Use it to mash potatoes, puree fruits, or mince garlic and ginger with the included press and scraper. The stainless finish not only looks professional, but is also rust-resistant and dishwasher-safe. Designed for serious home cooks, it combines precision and durability in a sleek, easy-to-clean package. Whether you're crafting homemade baby food or rustic tomato sauce, this food mill delivers consistent results. Enhance your kitchen arsenal with a reliable tool that balances practicality and performance effortlessly. Number 4. White and Gold Cooking Utensil Set. Luxe 8-piece Kitchen Gadget Set. Add luxury to your kitchen with the White and Gold Cooking Utensil Set. This elegant 8-piece collection includes everyday essentials like a can opener, tongs, and a garlic press, all in a stunning white and gold finish. Each tool is crafted for both beauty and functionality, making it ideal for modern homes. These utensils are not just stylish, they're designed for durability, standing up to daily use while maintaining their shine. Perfect for gifting, the set arrives in elegant packaging suited for weddings, housewarmings, or anniversaries. Every item feels sturdy and performs effortlessly, from smooth can opening to precise garlic mincing. Easy to clean and space-saving, they keep your kitchen organized and cohesive. Elevate your culinary space with tools that perform and impress. A perfect blend of aesthetics and utility, this set is a delightful upgrade for anyone who loves a polished kitchen. Number 5. Dream Farm Garject 2-in-1 Garlic Peeler, Garlic Press and Mincer with Garlic Peel Ejector. The Dream Farm Garject redefines garlic prep with its innovative 2-in-1 design. Peel, press, and mince garlic all in one motion. No sticky fingers required. Made from chrome-plated zinc, it's durable, sleek, and resistant to corrosion. The integrated peel ejector discards skins cleanly, minimizing mess and simplifying cleanup. Ergonomically shaped for comfort, it fits perfectly in hand and delivers excellent leverage with minimal effort. Its bold red color adds vibrancy to your kitchen while ensuring it's easy to spot in a drawer. Measuring 7.6 inches in length, it's compact yet powerful enough for everyday use. This tool consistently produces smooth, even garlic paste, perfect for adding flavor to sauces, marinades, and more. Dishwasher safe for fast maintenance. For busy cooks or garlic enthusiasts, the Garject is a must-have gadget that saves time and delivers flawless results every time. Thanks for watching today's top picks from GadgetNest. If you enjoy discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make your life easier, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. All product links and latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss them. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.